My name is LaRuth Martin, and I'm the Computer Lab Manager at the Julia Hampton Morgan Memorial Library. In Part 2 of Introduction to Microsoft Excel 2016, we will be concerned with entering data and formatting that data within a workbook, saving our workbook information, and also opening workbooks. We will begin in cell A1 by typing the words monthly budget. As you can see, monthly budget has gone over into column B. So I need to adjust my column so that both words will be in column A. To do this, I will bring my cursor between the crease of columns A and B, and I will double click. Now, monthly budget is within column A. I will now go to A2 and type the word item. I will use my tab key and type budget, actual, and difference. I will now go to cell A3 and type the rest of my words that will be within my document. I will go to cell B3 and type my numbers. I would now like to make changes to my document. So I'm going to go to A1, cell A1, hold down my mouse and drag until my entire document is shaded. This is what is called highlighting. The first thing I wish to do is to change my font style to Arial, my font size 14, and I will now click on B for bold. I will now adjust my columns again because of the increase in size, I need to adjust my columns. So I will go bring my cursor in the crease between the columns and double click. I am now ready to save my workbook. So I will click on the word File and go to the word Save. I will select Browse, and from this list I choose Desktop. My file name is Book 1, so I will change that to Budget, and then click Save. As you can see, my title is now Budget. I will close this document, and then I realized I want to make some more changes to this particular one, so I will click on File click on Open, and as you can see to your right, it will tell you the documents that are within here, and we see that today I have just created this one entitled Budget, and it's on the desktop. So I'm going to click on the word Budget and open up my workbook. I'm going to select Item, Budget, Actual, and Difference. So I will click in A2, hold down the left side of my mouse and drag, and I will italicize. Click on I for italicize. And then I will go back to A1 and highlight my entire document and change my font color to blue. To get the highlight off, I'll just click in any cell, and that will unhighlight it. I now want to select my numbers. So I've started in B3 and highlight just my numbers. I will click on the $, which is for the accounting number format. Now we know that these are dollars. I will go back to cell A1, drag and highlight my entire document, and I will go to Cells and Formatting. We're going to auto fit the row height, and we'll auto fit the column width. While I have this highlighted, I'm going to make one more change. I'm going to go to my borders and select all borders. And when I click off of it this time, as you can see, we have a grid line. We have it set up like a table. I am now ready to make one more change. I'm going to right mouse click on sheet 1, and we're going to rename it to Budget 2021. Now this is just renaming the sheet. This is the sheet within this workbook. The title will remain Budget. I will now save all of the information that I've made changes to. So I will click on the word Save. This concludes our video on part 2 of Introduction to Microsoft Excel 2016. In part 3, we will be concerned with inserting formulas and creating charts.